Donald Trump said the United States will take a pass on the brokering further Russia-Ukraine war talk if the Moscow or Kiev make it very difficult to reach a peace deal. The United States President told reporters in the Oval Office on Friday that he was not expecting a truce to happen in a specific number of days, but he wanted it done very quickly. His comment came hours after the United States Secretary of State Marco Rubio warned that the United States would abandon talk if it's not going to happen. Also, we are not going to continue with this endeavor for weeks or months and the very end. Rubio said that, adding the United States had other priorities to focus on as well. We have asked about the deal between the Russia and Ukraine. Trump said, we are talking about here people dying. We are going to get it stopped ideally. Now it's for some reason if one of the two parties make it very difficult, we are just going to say you are foolish, you are fools, you are horrible people, and we are going to just take a pass. Russia launched a full-scale invasion of Ukraine in 2022 and has placed a number of conditions on any potential ceasefire. Despite the Trump administration's initial confidence that it could secure a deal quickly, attempts to reach a full-scale ceasefire have yet not materialized, with the Washington blaming both sides. Following a meeting with the European leaders in Paris about a potential ceasefire on Thursday, Marco Rubio told reporters on Friday, we need to determine very quickly now, and I'm talking about a matter of days, whether or not this is doable. If it's going to happen, then we are just going to move on from this, or otherwise we are going to stuck on the peace talks. He also said that it was clear that a peace deal would be difficult to strike, but there needs to be signs that it could be done soon. Trump had said before he re-entered office that he would stop the fighting in the first 24 hours of his presidency. Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov was asked that the response of the Trump saying that he expected an answer from the Russia on the ceasefire, said that the negotiations are taking place and are very quite difficult. The Russian side is striving to reach a peace settlement in this conflict to ensure its own interest and is open to dialogue, it said. Also, the comments came as the Russia strikes on the Ukraine continuously. Also on Friday, Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky said in the post on X that the Russia had launched a volley of missile attacks that killed 2 people.